In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place new order in Metatrader. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the order window, select the instrument you want to trade, choose the order type, set your volume and stop loss, and execute a buy or sell with confidence. Start by opening your Metatrader application. Make sure you're logged into the correct trading account and that your connection status shows as active. It's a good idea to confirm that the market you want to trade is open and that quotes are updating in the Market Watch panel. This ensures that when you place an order, it can be processed without delays due to market closure or connectivity issues. Next, look to the top of the platform and click New Order. This opens the order ticket, which is where you'll configure everything about your trade. If you prefer shortcuts, many users also bring this up with a hotkey, but clicking the button at the top is the most straightforward way to get there and is consistent across most setups. Inside the order ticket, begin by choosing the symbol you want to trade. You'll see a drop-down where you can select from currency pairs, indices, commodities, or any instruments your broker offers. Take an extra second to confirm the symbol is correct because symbols can look similar. Also note the current bid and ask prices and the spread between them, since that spread is part of your trading cost and can affect entries, especially in fast-moving markets. Now, choose the order type. You have two main choices: market execution or pending order. Market execution sends the order right away at the current market price. This is the most direct option if you want to enter immediately. A pending order is for when you want the platform to place the trade later at a specific price you define. For example, you might prefer to enter if price pulls back or breaks out. If you select pending order, you'll be able to choose the pending order subtype and set the entry price and, if needed, an expiration time. If you stick with market execution, you'll be entering at the live price when you hit buy or sell. Enter your volume next. Volume is your lot size. On many instruments, 1/100th lot equals a standardized contract size, while 0.1 is a mini lot and 0.01 is a micro lot. Pick a size that aligns with your account and risk plan. If you're unsure, start small and scale as you gain consistency. A practical approach is to decide your maximum risk and account currency first, and then choose a volume that keeps your potential loss within that limit when combined with your stop loss. Now type in your stop loss. This is the price level where the platform will close your trade if it moves against you by a predefined amount. Think of it as your safety net. You can input it as an actual price, and Metatrader will also show how many points or pips away it is. Place it beyond logical market structure, like beyond a recent swing high or low, rather than on a round number where price often wicks. If your plan includes a take profit, you can set that in the same window as well, matching your target to your strategy's risk to reward guidelines. At this point, decide on your direction. Look at your analysis, confirm the instrument and volume, double-check the stop loss, and verify that the spread is acceptable. If you chose a pending order earlier, make sure the entry price is accurate and that the order makes sense in the context of your setup. A quick moment of review here helps prevent simple but costly mistakes. When you're ready to go short, click Sell by Market. This sends a sell order at the current bid price. You'll see a confirmation with the order ticket number, and the position will appear in your trade panel, showing live profit and loss, your stop loss, and any take profit you set. If your plan is to go long instead, click Buy by Market. This sends a buy order at the current ask price. As with a sell, you'll get a confirmation, and the position will show in your trade panel so you can monitor it in real time. That's it. You've opened Metatrader, launched a new order, selected your symbol, chosen the order type, set volume and stop loss, and executed a buy or sell. Remember, practice on a demo account if you're new, and always trade with a clear plan and defined risk.